Boy's a perfectionist.
Yes, he is.
He's up there.
Thank you. So I've just put one layer on of Supreme, Ghost Bottle Supreme.
On the next order, mate, every time, mate, if it could be like that, that is a perfect hairline.
I do, yeah, it's good that you like it.
A denser hairline.
Yeah, Charlie likes it a little bit denser. It's still, as you can see from the camera working here, it still looks very good. But I generally just go extra light on the first quarter of an inch. But though you like it, you just worry about the hair falling out quick.
Yeah, it's just a bit more longevity out of it. And
because you're so experienced wearing it back, yeah.
Yeah.
We can do a little bit heavier at the front because you make it look good.
Cheers, mate.
The old compliment. It's only because the camera's on.
Yeah, you should tell me to shut the fuck up.
What have you fucking done there?
Well done.
That's
Twat.
not true, everyone. Yeah, we keep that in. That's priceless. That's always how the clients speak to me. So I'm used to it. That's the way it is, isn't it? Very nice. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the prettiest of them all? Charlie. Charlie's the prettiest of them all. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Dan is looking quite sharp. I'm not going to come in here and ruin it.
There you are.
Spot on.
Did you just say, yeah, you are going to go in and ruin it? Oh, you meant, yeah.
You want me to stay here or take
just
this off and
turn-
give it a little spin?
No, turn around. This is good.
Got to get that fluff off the back of your neck before you go, brother.
Alright, mate. Nice one, Danny. Cheers.
Right, let's have a look. Give us a spin, mate. That's it. Good watch. Just go a bit further because of the light. Actually, I'm going to stay there. Stay there. Come over here. Right. Let's have a look. Could you shut the door a second?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get you against that. That's it. Just gives a spin round then, slowly. It's a nice fade, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very good.
You impressed with Danny? Yeah, very
good.
Very good. Just stay right there, head slightly back. That's it. Just stay there, look at the camera. That's it, and then just slowly turn around for me. Slowly, slowly, slowly. So stop there for a minute. And come back towards me a bit. Stop there. Yeah, that's good. And then spin all the way around to the front, please. You nice and giddy now?
I am indeed.
So thumbs up to Danny.
Cheers, Danny.